So here is a first look at Google's new Omni Flash model, which was revealed today. I managed to get access and I'm showing you here. You choose ingredients to add to your video. Here you choose a voice.
Hi there. We're introducing a new feature where I can read this aloud in a natural, human-like voice.
Let's say I'm gonna choose this one. And you add a second image to make the video with, let's say, this bottle, which isn't a real brand. I created this bottle in Google Nano Banana, and here I'm writing a prompt. The person grabs the bottle, he drinks, and all of a sudden he's running like a fast superhero and says, "This gives me all the energy possible." So here's the first video we got.
This gives me the best energy possible.
It's a decent result. Let's look at the second one.
This gives me the best energy possible.
Okay, so now let's play a little bit more with the model. Let's add one of the videos we created to the prompt, because editing videos wasn't possible before with Google VO3, only with models like Seedance and Clink. So let's try it here. We use the video that was created and we say the person, after he drinks from the bottle, he turns into a superhero in a blue suit and starts running fast with lightning coming out of his feet. As you can see, we have options here. We have 16:9 ratio, 9:16, and of course we have chosen the new Omni Flash model. I'm gonna make the video that I prompted for. Let's see the result.
This gives me the best energy possible.
So here, as you can see, the character's suit turned blue. Now let's create an image of our character, because they say that the new Omni Flash model is basically Nano Banana of video editing. So let's use Nano Banana for an image to then use for a reference to edit our video. This is a great use that I'm gonna show you here. Let's say we choose our character and we say make him in a red superhero suit to look like a speedster superhero. So let's give this image to the prompt and let's use the video where we told the AI to make the character in a blue suit. Let's say that we want our character, after he drinks from the bottle at the beginning of the video, to switch to a red suit instead of the blue one he's wearing. And let's see the result.
This gives me the best energy possible.
As you can see perfectly, the character switched to the red suit. He even got the mask on his face. So this is a cool use of the new model. As you can see, you can edit videos, you can add images as reference when you're editing your videos, you can create videos from images, you can choose a specific voice for your character. So basically, this video model solves the problem with character consistency. If you are interested in such videos, you can follow my channel, like and subscribe.